I've got 2 examples to do for the whole thing.
Oh, nice.
It's like a page and a half of notes. So, of all days for y'all to be late, this is the day. Okay. So we're doing 9.4 multiplying binomials. That's right. Using FOIL. All right. FOIL method. And you will use this again in Algebra 2 and everything, so. F. Anyone want to guess what F stands for?
First.
Are you looking in your book?
Yes.
First, outside, since you're cheating. Inside, you're using your resources. Smart girl. And then last. FOIL means first, outside, inside, and last. And I'll explain what that means in just a second.
Easy.
Yeah, this isn't bad. Y'all ready? All right, here we go. Example. Let's say I have y minus 4 times y minus 3. Okay, so did y'all have a problem like this yesterday? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Now, this is what's funny about this is you did it already, but they want to throw in this whole FOIL thing. You can choose however you want to do it. You can do it like you did yesterday, or you can do it like this. Now, with this said, later on, you're going to need to learn to rely on the FOIL method. I'm about to show you. Later on, you're going to need to know how to, you're going to have to rely on this, okay? So, but if you do it like you did yesterday, if you did your arrows, I'm about to show you different, it's not going to get you a wrong answer, okay? And you'll see. So, first, that means you're going to multiply the first terms. You're like, yeah, okay, how's that different? Outside, you're going to multiply, guess what? The outside terms. Inside. That's right. It's just like yesterday. But if y'all did it different yesterday and still got the right answer, you're fine. Inside are the 2 inside terms. And then last, these 2 last terms. See, we're just putting words to what we did yesterday. You see what I'm saying? If you looked at my notes from yesterday, did my arrows pretty much the same, right?
The exact same.
But now you know, like if you have Dr. Gatt, she's going to say, okay, what method? FOIL. If you ever hear a math teacher, like if you leave this school, you have a teacher say, you got to use the FOIL method. Now you know what the FOIL method is. It's like distributive property. I don't have to use the words distributive property for y'all to know what the distributive property is. But now if I say the distributive property, you know exactly what that is, right? FOIL. Y'all did this yesterday. Same thing, correct? But now you know the name for it. It's FOIL. I've never understood why they didn't teach 9.4 first and then 9.3 afterwards, because it makes more sense to me, but I'm not the publisher.
So it's the exact same thing?
Yeah,
so
but it's called FOIL. Again, I know. And see, Chap's not here to, wait a minute. See, Chap, you're not here, so you don't get to say anything. All right, so, again, listen to what I'm saying. I feel that this should have been taught yesterday, And yesterday's stuff should be taught today. But I didn't write the book. Yeah, what?
So doing the same thing we did yesterday.
Exactly. Isn't this a great day?
So we're just kidding. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Start with first.
Mm-hmm.
Y times Y is what?
Y squared.
Very good. Outside, Y times negative 3.
Negative 3y.
Now inside, negative 4 times Y.
Negative 4y.
And then last, negative 4 times negative 3.
12.
Do we have any like terms?
Yes.
What, Franz?
Negative 3y and negative 4y.
And what would those be?
Negative 7y.
And there's your answer. So just like yesterday. Now, boys and girls, let's say you're sitting there thinking, yesterday I did this and I didn't have any rules to follow. I just did it. And then today I introduced FOIL. First, outside. What if you switched it? What if you did inside, then last? Do you think you'll get a wrong answer?
No.
No.
We did life.
We did, yeah, you could do Loif, instead of FOIL. You could do Loif.
What is
And Loif, do last. Loif is L-O-I-F. Let's say you did last and then outside. So my point is you can do different steps in different orders. You will still get the exact same answer if you combine like terms properly and put things in descending order.
Well, why in the world did they just not call it FOIL yesterday? So we didn't have to do this.
I agree.
Suffer.
I agree.
Why
I
didn't we
agree.
just
No,
put it in
because
one
they, you know why? Because they made today so nice and
That's
easy.
true.
All right, so let's go ahead. I've got 2 examples of things that look a little different. And Keith, I believe you even asked me about one of them yesterday on IXL. So let's open up your books to page 387 because there's a misconception, and if Chap was here, he'd be throwing a big old fit.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll let his other 2, companions who like to raise their hand. Wait. I'll let y'all handle, the questioning while
We
he's
got you,
gone.
Chap.
Yeah. So make sure you're open to 387.
Mhm.
Let's go, Valeria.
Is it just this 1 through 24 thing?
Shh. Ariel, you there yet?
Almost.
Yeah, one of y'all can go sit in Chap's spot instead of being back in the dark.
I like my spot.
Okay. All right, let's look at number 29. Yep, we're jumping all the way to 29. All right. Now, don't freak out, y'all.
I'm not freaking out.
I know. Now, here's the thing. A plus 6 squared. Now, I know. I told y'all that you just apply it to the things on the inside. However, that's when you have, like if it was no. Let's say it was 6a squared. Notice there's no plus sign. That's just one term. We apply it to the inside. There's a plus sign. So there's no applying of anything. You're going to rewrite it like this. Because that's saying a plus 6 squared times itself 2 times. So a plus 6 times a plus 6. Does that make sense?
Actually, yes, it does.
Well, there you go. Yeah, okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, so one of his partners agrees. Does this make sense? Okay.
So, usually the A and the 6, if there's no exponent, you always pretend there's a 1.
Yeah.
So, 2 times 1 is 2, so it's 2A. I mean, 8
Eight.
to the second power, and 6 is to the second power.
No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work, and because this plus sign right here is what keeps it from working. Okay? So it's rewritten like this. And now we just do the FOIL method. And watch what happens. So first, outside, inside, and then last. So we end up with, let's see, Valeria, tell me what I end up with. Let's do the first. A squared, good.
6e.
6 what?
A.
6a
A6.
plus, or 6a. Our number comes first.
And then 30.
Yep, 36. Right? Now what's my like terms, Ariel?
The like terms are 6a and 6a,
Which are?
12a.
So then my answer is a squared plus 12a plus 36. We're adding. So when you're adding and subtracting, the letters and the exponents don't change. Any questions about this? Yes?
So this is for two number in each only. But what is it?
Yes. Or 3. It could even, are you talking about when to apply it like we used to do? Like we could have 4ab squared c to the third. Is that what you're talking about?
No. Like in the parentheses, we just have 3 number. How do you do it?
If we have 3 numbers,
Like first and then.
let's see, like which one? That might be tomorrow. That might be something we do tomorrow.
I don't see it, so no.
Okay. So let's do one more. Are there any questions about this? Okay. Let's look at 31. This will be the last one. All y'all write it down. I'm going to throw in some negatives here.
Okay.
Negative 7g minus 10 squared. All right, you do it just like we did before. Separate it out. Negative 7g minus 10 times negative 7g minus 10. Let's see. No, you've had a turn. Sophia, let's do first. What is negative 7g times negative 7g? What?
Positive 49g.
Oh, very good. I thought I was hearing problems. 4g what? Just positive 4g? Negative 7g times negative 7g. There you go. Don't be shy. The bases are the same. We're multiplying, so we add exponents. 1 and 1. Okay, let's see. Miranda. Now I'm doing outside for FOIL. Negative 7g times negative 10.
You would do 70g.
Very good. Morgan, inside.
70g.
Keith, last. What are my like terms? New. And what do I get with 70g and 70g? Yep. And there's your answer. Any questions? Okay. Let's get started. You're going to be doing page 387, 388, or not. Hold on. Maybe just 388. Oh, yeah, no, I mean 387. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. You're going to be doing numbers 26 to 44 even, 64 and 68. That's 12 problems. Honors, you're doing 28 to 44 even, 52, 64, and 68. That is due Friday. IXL, due Monday. Quiz Monday. Okay? Lights, please.